Hey guys, it's me, Pie Guy or Victor. So today I'm going to be opening up the Meowth. I almost said Mewtwo. The Meowth VMAX Special Collection box. Um, I also kind of realized that most of my openings have been giant card boxes, which I'm okay with. I'm getting a nice collection, as you guys can see. Um, and this is from the Sword and Shield set in a way, or series, because I first ever two V card and V Max card, so that's pretty exciting, and then a giant one for me. Um, Also, I just want to apologize if you guys do hear the dishwasher running in the background. Hopefully, the music is covering the noise, or my voice is. Um, and it just kind of dawned on me that it was running, and I don't know if it's picking up or not. So, yeah, I'm gonna be opening up this one today. Um, and then tomorrow I'll be uploading the Alolan one, Alolan Sandshoe, Alolan Sandshoe, and then the 15 packs will be on Sunday. I'll be taking a break Monday, and then Tuesday hopefully I'll have my box. If not, hopefully I can find something to open up real quick, and just you know, show, and then hopefully Wednesday I can get that out for you guys. So I'm gonna be opening up this one today, and yeah, let's see what I get. I'm pretty excited. Like I said, first ever VMAX cards, or V in general, which is pretty cool since my name's Victor. Set's basically made for me. But wow, music kind of went quiet all of a sudden, but I think it's just getting ready for like a bass drop or something, and I'm struggling with this box. Ah, there it is. There we go. This side. Open up this. Drop that down there. Make more of a mess in my room that I clean like almost every day. This one comes with 5 packs. A giant VMAX Meowth, which is pretty cool. It's got G Max Gold Rush, and you draw 3 cards. But then it's a smaller than the other ones. Wow. Okay. Well, glad size doesn't matter. See what I did there? I am grabbing the 2 Meowth cards right now. I like this packaging way more than the other ones. These ones are actually looking like good condition. Oh, excuse me, a quiet burp. These cards look. Hold on. I'll grab a random card real quick, because to me these look a lot smaller than. Well, they're the same size. Maybe it's just my eyes. I'm not used to seeing, GXs. Oh, this one has a nice texture to it. That's nice. It's a little dark, it looks like, but I don't have much light right now, which is ironic because I have LEDs, but it is a pretty looking card. I am going to grab a penny sleeve real quick from my little baggie of them. I wish I had perfect fit. And then, just because I could double sleeve it, and then straight into nice little top loader. I'll put that in the background. And I'll do the same with the Meowth. I just want to show off the Meowth as well. Come on, focus. There we go. That's a pretty card. I'm not a big fan of Meowth, even though I love cats. I guess just because when I was little, I watched the show slash anime. I don't know if you guys want to call it an anime. But you know, he was always the bad guy, so I never really liked him growing up as a kid. So it comes with, oops, upside down. Cosmic Eclipse, Unfeed Minds, a Sun and Moon Guardian Rising. Is that no? Burning Shadow is the one with the Charizard. Another Cosmic Eclipse and an Evolutions. A lot of evolutions in these sets. I guess they're just trying to get rid of warehouse stuff. So Darkrai and Umbreon favorites. So I'm gonna do the 2 Cosmic Eclipses again. Then I'll do the Guardian Rising into the Unfeed Minds, and then Evolutions last. So I'm gonna open up this one first. It's for Cosmic Eclipse. Oops, got a little wrapper on me. Put that to the side. 1, 2, 3. Get rid of the Leaf Energy. This music's kind of hype. So hopefully I get something cool in this pack. That'd be exciting. I just needed to focus before I continue. Well, it's clay, but it doesn't want to. There we go. Lily's Full Force. Tangrowth. Natu. Patoad. Jengamo. Deerling. Gullet. A reverse hollow. Is that a rare? Yeah, reverse hollow rare Swanna, and our rare is. Ooh. Ah, sick. Awesome. A tag team. Charizard and Braxton GX, but it doesn't. It's not cut good. If it focuses, and I wish I had better lighting. This side is cut a lot more than that side. Yeah, here's a good. Oh man, let me get a flashlight out real quick, just so you guys can see this. Oh, that is bright. I'm sorry, but yeah, see how one side is shorter than the other. But nonetheless, I am very happy about this. Very happy about this. That is awesome. Darn, this one has tape on it, so it's not really cooperating well with me. Ooh, dude, this music. I'm not big into dubstep or like, you know, like this like kind of music, even though I'm playing it right, but it's not bad. I'm in a pretty good mood, you know. Oh man, that's like first English GX ever pulled, and first tag team one pulled too. I don't open up packs often, and the only time I do is when I'm uploading them, and I've only uploaded, I don't know, 4, 5. So I am quite happy, and this I'm opening this one really weird. Set that to the side. 1, 2, 3. Get rid of the lightning energy. We're starting off with a unidentified fossil. Wait, I forgot. I need to. There we go. For both purposes. Yeah. A Pignite. Focus, please. Boom. Darn. Come on. We got Professor Oak set up, but it doesn't want to focus. A Trapinch. A Sneasel. Wait, Sneasel's water? I thought it was dark. A Shveel. I really like Shveel. A Alolan Meowth. Perfect for this box. A Ralts. A Reverse Hollow Onyx. And a Seismic Toad. Alright, Alright, now we're on to Guardian Rising from Sun and Moon. Game wise, like, completely off topic. Game wise, I like I bought Sun and Moon, but I never played Ultra, and I never finished Sword and Shield. So, yeah, get rid of the Steel Energy. Oops, sorry, Meowth. Oh, dude, this this is some weird music. I'm gonna have to find some new ones before. Alright, we got a Whimsicott, a Vanillish, a Choice Band, Hoptile, Tentacool, a Stuffle. I like Stuffle, but I don't like the evolved form. A Alolan Sandshrew, a Connie, a Reverse Hollow Chansey, and a oh. I was like, why is it stuck? Cause I was trying to pull it up and it wouldn't. It's not budging right there. It wasn't budging. Well, my first full art, unless that's full art, but alright, this is, I am, oh my god, a Velcro GX, I can't tell if you can tell, but I'm smiling very hard right now. The shiny form is really cool. My buddy Anthony has one in Sun and Moon, and I've been playing Sun and Moon a lot. I really like that one, especially with the whole raids. And he has this shiny, and it looks really cool. Oh, dude, oh, I'm so happy right now. Next to Unified Minds. Oops. There we go. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Get rid of the Fire Energy. Alright, we're starting off with a Recycle Energy. Maybe I should listen to this music more often, because, like, I'm getting really good pulls. A Tranquil, a Turtoica, Pidove, a Ultra Beast, Piepole. I have no idea what that is, but it's a Piepole. A Numel, I like Numel. An Exu, a Fion, a Reverse Hollow Rare Teresia, and the rare is a Lucario. I'll take that. And our last pack is Evolution. Hopefully last. And if you guys are wondering why I'm pushing these down, for whatever reason, some cards were sticking out, which was weird. Now it sounds like I'm editing with the packs, but I swear I'm not. 1, 2, 3. No energy. Alright, we got a Trainer Potion, a Trainer Venusaur Spirit Link, oh my god, a Trainer Full Heal, a Magikarp, a Ghastly, a Sandshrew, a Weedle, a Tangela, a Reverse Hollow Voltorb, which I'll probably be giving to my buddy Carlos, because he collects Voltorbs and Electrodes, and a rare is a Dewong. Dewong? I'm happy with these pulls. Some Reverse Hollow rares. My first for English. Oops. My first for English. The first ever tag team and GX that pulled in English. Oops. Looks like a cat wants to come in. A Vikavolt GX, first ever full art ever pulled, unless Charizard was one. A Meowth VMAX, and a Meowth V. I'm very happy with that. Very, 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 very happy with that. Um, like I said in the beginning of the video, I am going to be. Oops, sorry, my cat really wants to get in now. I want to. I'm going to be posting the Alolan Sand Slash video tomorrow, and then I'll be uploading the 15 packs Sunday. And then hopefully, box comes Tuesday. I can make a whole video on that, and then I set these aside. A brand new thing of top loaders that I'm going to be using for the box, because new set, new top loaders. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys stay tuned for the next few videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.